Wow, just so you can see this time, that was the Ikarus C-42 Piston just seen come over this time anyway, but this time is the ultralight one we've now seen anyway. So as you can tell, this time this is the ultralight one we've now seen this time anyway. This is the ultralight plane we've now seen anyway. So yeah, this is the biplane that we now see this time anyway. So basically this is the ultralight one we now see this time. So yeah, now see the ultralight one this time. Which, as you can see, the registration that we haven't seen for at least for a while. Well, technically this has been a while since we haven't seen the G-CLYA apparently. Which technically this has been a while since we've not seen the G-CLYA apparently. Which that one we haven't seen for a while apparently though. Which this has been a while since we've only saw the G-CLYA apparently. But as you can see, this one has just took off from his base at Pample Airfield just around 11:30 this morning anyway. So that took off from his base at Pample Airfield just around 11:30 this morning anyway. So yeah, as you can see, he was flown on the north coast a bit to start with. But as you can see, just from here, as he started, he then just turned left as he was flying over towards Tahiti Woods anyway. Just you can see, just from here, he then just flew in here to about 1,600 feet anyway. But whereas to start with, he was around 1,500 feet anyway, as he was climbing up anyway. So technically, he was just climbing up to about 1,600 feet anyway, but almost about 1,700 feet anyway. So yeah, which hopefully should be heading back to his base at Pample Airfield very soon anyway. Which technically this has been a while since we've not saw the G-CLYA anyway. Which this has been a very long time since we saw that one anyway. After a while ago anyway, especially after the last few weeks, or especially after the last few months anyway. Especially most of the time like this month, we've only saw the FB80 Charlie, GENDE. No, it was GENDG it was, which that one we've seen most of the time more than the G-CLYA anyway, and the other one is the G-CLYP anyway, which that one we saw this year anyway. Now because of that, we're now back to the G-CLYA once again anyway for this year apparently. So yeah, I can remember the last time we saw this one anyway, which is this has been a while apparently. So yeah, this has been a while anyway. So yeah, this has been a while ago apparently. So yeah, hopefully he should be heading back to his base at Pample Airfield very soon anyway. So yeah, hopefully we'll be heading back there shortly for the time. So yeah, okay, so yep, thanks for watching, bye bye.